Hey everyone, welcome back. Glad from the Woods here. Alright, today is Friday, what is this, the 13th? Oh God, Friday the 13th, and I'm going out on the ATV. Well, the carrier is done. It's still over at Jordan's shop area. It's a back road ride there. What we're going to do is we're going to test the ATV on the carrier. So I'm going to ride the ATV from here and then head the back way in to where his place is, and then we'll try it out from there. So I'll bring you guys along with me for that ride. So it'll probably end up being like 3 parts, part 1, 2, 3, because it's going to be fairly long videos, I think, between there, and then of course filming the whole thing, loading the bike up, the whole mess. So okay everyone, so I'll see you guys next time I see you. I guess is when we I won't film from here, from the house, until we hit Heron Mills Road. Then I'll start filming from there. Oh, sorry, I'm doing my nose like this. It's all itchy. My one cat, Wally, for whatever reason, his fur just gets me all itchy whenever he came and laid down on me, eh? The other 2 cats, it doesn't do that, but him, it's like, wow, super itchy. All right, so there we go. I'll see you guys next when we're on Heron Mills Road, okay? Talk to you then. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, welcome back. Well, we're starting the camera here. I'm over on Mitchell Road. We are on our way to Jordan Johnson's shop. We're going to see about putting the bike on the carrier. The carrier is ready, so we're going to do that. So let's head up the road and continue this journey. Now you guys are with me. I'm really excited to see what he's done. Trailer hitch mounted on the back of the carrier for the boat. It's all nice and done up nicely. It's cool out today. We're taking away the back way around to his place. It's up off of Pine Grove Road. So rather than going through Lanark, I'm kind of crisscrossing here. It's a little bit longer, but it's a nice ride. Some new tie downs because these ones that I'm bringing for today are for regular use. So I ordered some 4-foot long ones, which is just the right length to hold the ATV to the ATV carrier. I'm getting those from Amazon. The new seat posts for the boat showed up today. I gotta run those out to Trues. I don't think I'll be doing that today, probably tomorrow. a vulture, turkey vulture, whatever. Warning, pesticide use. Oh, lively. Bloody lovely. I don't let them do that on our property. I love it. Perfect for YouTube. That took me a lot quicker than I thought it was going to take.
Taylor asked me before he took it, he's like, it's a 7-ton. I said, no, it's 5, but all the things. Well, I think it's mine, you can use it. It's over now.
Hey folks. So I'm here with the Jordan Johnson I've spoke about 100 times. You make it into every one of my videos, you know that, eh? With your name at least. So this is the carry unit. He's modified it. He's welding stuff. We've already tried, as you can see from the tracks, that the ATV fits on it. And then what was the other thing we were doing? Oh yeah, and then he welded, boxed everything in on the trail on the RV. Anyways, I got pictures of that. I'll put that in the description where you can find those pictures, folks. Anyways, I don't want to really bother him. You need me to help you flip it over, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's film it. YouTube, eh? Where do you want me to grab?
I don't even know.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay, and what does it got to do? It's got to go completely over this way, and then upside. Okay, you want it completely?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's not hard. So besides doing lawns and winter snow removal and about 500 other things, Jordan is a crack welder. And I think I mentioned it the other day, he really loves welding, so this is a labor of love for him. So, and I understand that one. It was one of my favorite courses when I was in high school, so. Couldn't stand auto class, but I like welding.
Yeah, that's all I wanted to go to high school was for the auto class.
Good. All right, folks, there you go. You got your update.